All right, guys, here's a quick view for my meat eaters. This is Che Argentine. So they do have meat here. This one isn't a vegan market, so that's for my meat eaters. You can't say I didn't do nothing for you to shout you out what you can eat. But I'm just here at Beef Food waiting on them. And it is looking delicious. The takoyaki, the ones that are already cooked, are sold out. These are very popular, so I can't wait to try those out. I don't think I've walked even half of this marketplace yet, guys. I just remembered I have to find some people here. So once I get this food, I'm gonna go and see if I can find them and take you along with me.
And now it's the time before the storm because when everything comes out, I play it. So give it.
And this just shows you what all they have, guys. Cheese takoyaki are not vegan, so if you're vegetarian. Spicy nut noodles. I think I might be up now.
Next place is yours, but it's coming out. You can play directly.
And this lemonade here, guys, is delicious. This is a cucumber mint lemonade.
And the rest is gonna be half.
And refill, you can use the cup and get a refill for 30 Rand. And they said with the refills, it's for every event that they're at. And also, if you're in Joburg and you want to start coming to some of these events, you are more than welcome to come with me. There's so much that I can't film by myself. There's so much food I can't eat by myself. Like, so if this is something that you end up wanting, if you like these type of content, you're in Joburg and you want to come, you're more than welcome to come with me sometime. Because like I'm already getting full and I barely ate anything.
Okay, I'm not gonna wait for this. I prefer to wait and to do everything in a row, but if it takes time, it's less.
And you see the plate in here. Look how delicious that looks.
And then it's half and half. Barrel. Yes. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Jason, that's yours.
Yeah.
And then I need 3 half and half. So that's my plate.
Eloise, you're so busy.
Eloise! And give me 3 minutes for the half and half.
Okay, no problem.
That looks delicious, guys.
I'm just waiting for a bit more of those ones, and then it's like 3 half and half.
Okay, no problem.
And so the takoyaki, oh okay, are sweet corn, potatoes, cabbage, and carrots.
Please do not burn yourself. It's very hot.
Oh, okay.
Cool down a bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Jason.
This is what it looked like, guys. It looks delicious.
Lamb shawarma. Oh, you want the lamb shawarma?
All right, guys, so let's walk around just a little bit more. Check it out.
Thank you.
No problem. And here's Feed Me Fancy. Vegetarian snack boats. Nice. Oh wow. That is a huge Great Dane. Jesus. He is huge. This is like a grown man sitting there. Wow. And you see all the seating out here, guys.
You just gotta let me try to give you what you want. You've been scared of love, I'm gonna tip to you. You don't have to run, no, only you. It's a simple touch, and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. I feel it coming, yeah.
All right, guys. I think I found another eatery area. I see cannolis over here. Pink tea, pink lemonade, refreshing lifestyle drink, African luxury nectar blend. Okay, nice. Happiness at any given moment of your life. Got a coconut bar, guys. Alright, how you doing?
Like, how are you?
Oh, doing great, thank you.
Where did you get the food?
This is on the other side over here. If you go here and just go left. No problem. Their donuts are delicious. So here we go, guys. We found Daydreaming Donut. These are my
That
buddies.
looks amazing though. What is it?
Takoyaki. You want to try one? I'm not going to be able to eat all of it, so.
Okay. Thank you.
No, no problem.
Want to see?
I'm about to say, if you want one, take one.
No, okay.
Oh, okay.
Can't mix my savory and sweet.
Ah.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Thanks, bye.
Yeah, I'm happy jumping out.
I have a good one. Hey, how you doing? So this is Daydreaming Donuts, guys. I'm here to pick up a mala that I ordered.
I just want to pay, I don't know.
Alright guys, this is the first bite of takoyaki.
Are you in the queue?
No, you can go. Guys, this takoyaki is delicious. This is delicious. Take it down, take it down. I just had to make sure I found you before I forget. Okay. Finish it. I'm going to come back around. So I'm going to walk around, guys, let the queue die down a little. And I'm going to just see what else is out here. Okay, guys, I got to show love over here. So this is Oakja. This is one of the local brands here that does oat milk. They got the hazelnut spread. Hey, how you doing, brother?
Thanks, man.
Like, I gotta show love for anybody that bring anything alternative to the dairy here. So I definitely want to shout them out. Anything you want to say for the camera?
This is your YouTube channel.
Yes.
YouTube. How's it guys? Okay, yeah, we're a vegan brand. Basically, only 4 ingredients in our oat milk. Salt water, oats, and sunflower crystal oil, and exactly.
Nice. So let's tell them what they really want to know, how it tastes.
It tastes amazing. You want to try some Nutella?
Sure. Okay, guys, we're going to try a little bit of the Nutella.
Just grab a stick there.
Oops. Now, if you're a vegan out there, you know hazelnut spread, they usually put milk in it for no reason. So this is amazing that they have it, a vegan one. That's delicious, guys. That is a delicious hazelnut spread. I use their milk products. It is really great. And the thing I love about it, you can find them just about everywhere. It's not an expensive brand either.
Would you like to try some?
No milk today.
Oh, good, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to make room, keep room for the food.
Put the food around, yeah.
Yeah.
Really good, eh?
It's too much here,
What
brother.
did you try?
This, spring rolls, donuts.
Yeah.
Really trying not to eat too much.
Are you like from South Africa? Where are you from?
Okay, let me